Thank you, Mom Shirley Block, for giving me the opportunity to be part of your scholarship program, and I will continue to maintain my grades to be same as second honor or first honor. This year, thank you for the Living Hope charity. I love you very much. You give me hope.
Only 30 minutes for our test. Okay? The answer, you can find the answer on the book. You can copy everything you want about the story you read from the book.
Here we are now at the hospital with Carmen after saving life yesterday when he got a stroke.
Know you have cancer, bone and muscle pain, and all the drugs that you are taking. You did it just to continue working so that you can help us and the people around you. You are a superwoman with 13 surgeries, but trying to be a wonderful person in the world. You are a hero to us and a big example to the people in the world. You are one of a kind because we know you put God first place in your life. Thank you, and we love you. God bless you always.
In behalf of the teachers of Michael C., the school you own, Ma'am Shirley would like to extend our heartfelt thanks for all the good things you've done, for giving us an opportunity to teach, to enjoy our teaching career in your school. We are very happy for many years working with you. Ma'am, we salute you. Continue spreading your wings. God loves you. Once again, thank you so much, Ma'am Shirley.